If you ever asked AI for something and gotten back a flat, generic kind of useless answer, I promise you, it's not that the AI is bad, it's that your prompt is doing less work than you think it is. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what a prompt is, why people's prompts fail, and the simple shift that fixes it. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. This is the Universal 1, and this channel is for people learning AI from zero. We covered what AI actually is a couple of videos ago. Today we're getting practical. Prompts. Because once you get this one thing right, everything else you do with AI gets better. By the end of this video, you know exactly what a prompt is, why vague prompts fail, and a simple structure you can reuse for almost anything. Let's start simple. A prompt is just the instruction, question, or request you type into the AI tool. That's the whole definition. There's no secret language, no code required. If you can type a sentence, you can write a prompt. But here's the thing people miss. The AI has no idea what you actually want behind what you literally type. It's not reading your mind, and it doesn't know your situation unless you tell it. So the quality of what you get back is directly tied to the quality of what you put in. Think about it like this. If you walked up to a stranger and said, "Give me a good restaurant," they'd have to guess everything: your budget, what food you like, what city you're even in. They'd probably give you a safe, generic answer because that's all they can do with the little information. That's exactly what happens when you type something like, "Write me an email" into an AI tool. It doesn't know who it's to, what it's about, or what tone you want. So it gives you the most generic average version possible. Not because it can't do better, because you didn't give it the information to do better. Here's the shift that changes everything. Instead of bare requests, give it three things: context, goal, and a format. Context. Who's this for? What's the situation? The goal. What outcomes do you actually want? And the format. How should the answer look? Short or long, formal or casual? A list or a paragraph? Compare these two. Write me an email versus write a short, friendly email to my landlord. Ask him to fix a leaky faucet and mention it needs to happen by Friday. Same tool, completely different quality of result. The second one isn't more complicated, it's just more specific. And this trick doesn't just work for emails. Stick around because I'm going to show you how the exact same structure works for research, planning, even creative stuff. The context, the goal, the format, the structure isn't just for emails. Want research help? Instead of "tell me about AI," try "explain AI to me like I've never heard it" in 3 short paragraphs with a real world example. Want help planning something? Instead of "help me plan a trip," try "I've got a long weekend, a moderate budget, and I want somewhere warm. Give me 3 destination options with a 1-line reason for each." Same formula every time. The moment you get specific, the answers stop being generic. So here's your homework. Next time you use AI, before you hit send on your prompt, ask 3 questions. Does it know the context? Did I state the actual goal? And did I tell it what I want, how I want the format back? If you can answer yes to those 3, you're already ahead of most people using these tools. That's what a prompt actually is, and why most of them underperform. If this helped, subscribe. Next up, I'm showing you the difference between the major AI tools so you know exactly which one to reach for and when. See you in the next one. Thanks for hitting that play video. Thanks for joining me today, and everyone be safe. The Universal 1. Peace.